Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you just got a new Metro by T-Mobile phone and are trying to activate it for the first time, the setup may feel a little confusing, especially if you are switching devices or transferring service. Sometimes the phone powers on, but service does not appear right away, while other people are unsure where to begin with SIM cards, account details, or activation steps. Since getting everything connected correctly matters for calls, text, and mobile data, taking the right approach can make the process much smoother. The good part is that activating a Metro by T-Mobile phone usually only takes a few moments once you know where to start. Let's walk through an easy way to get it working. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the Metro by T-Mobile phone and confirm the SIM card sits correctly before starting activation. Step 2. Open the website or app connected to the Metro by T-Mobile phone if activation options appear there. Step 3. Sign into the account linked with the Metro by T-Mobile phone and review activation details carefully. Step 4. Follow the prompts connected to the Metro by T-Mobile phone if transferring a number or starting new service. Step 5. Restart the Metro by T-Mobile phone after activation finishes, so network settings refresh normally. Step 6. Test calls, text, or mobile data on the Metro by T-Mobile phone and confirm service begins working correctly.